just finished up the install on the dash cams on the Maserati. So if we get in, go through a few features on how this works. So if we start the vehicle up, now on the dash cams itself, they will manually turn on. So now on this dash camera, it is 2K resolution on the front, 1080p on the rear. Now this camera also has Wi-Fi functionality, so we can connect it via the app. So what we're going to do is press the circle button on the camera, as you can see just here. This will now go into its Wi-Fi registration mode. So now on the phone, what we can do, if we go to settings and to Wi-Fi, we can now connect to the camera. So once the camera is connected here, we can now go to the app that we have downloaded for the camera, press connection. It will now log us in. We have recorded videos down below, which shows us all the video time and dates on there. If I click on a random video, it will show me the recording. At the bottom, I can download. If I want to change to the rear recording, I'm pressing the center. It will now change to the rear, and I can download that one as well. If at any point we need to adjust the cameras, we can go into real-time video. And this will be the front. Again, tap on the front camera to the rear. This will be the rear video. If we go back, we have settings in the bottom left. We can go through LEDs, event. You have parking, event buzzer, impact, motion, recording time. Most cameras have all of these functions as it is. So voltage management, this is a big one. This allows you to set the vehicle to a certain voltage. So once the car is at a certain voltage, the cameras will turn off, allowing you to still start. You don't get any battery warnings or battery drainage on the vehicle. We can change time, date, language, everything through here as well. And then once you swipe off of the app, it will disconnect the camera and it will go back into its normal recording mode by flashing red just up at the top up there. Once we switch the vehicle off, it will go into its parking mode.
Records in parking mode.
There we go. And then once the battery is low, it will then distinguish the charge on the camera and turn off completely.